Learners are at the heart of all we do at Estyn. Following an extended break from inspection arrangements, and after consulting widely with our partners and key stakeholders and trialling new arrangements, we are reintroducing inspection of youth work. Resuming inspection will highlight and acknowledge the importance of youth work, help to identify what's working well, and support improvement. From September 2024, we'll begin a cycle of regular inspection of youth work providers. Our guidance for these inspections will focus on 3 areas. 1. How does youth work help young people achieve their potential? This is based on the 5 pillars of youth work that help to define the profession and its curriculum, that it is educative, expressive, participative, inclusive, and empowering. 2. What young people can expect from youth work provision. This area will evaluate the quality of youth work and to what extent youth work is accessible to all young people, including those who may be vulnerable. 3. Leading and improving. This will place an emphasis on how youth work is led and managed, how providers self-evaluate, plan and improve the quality of professional learning, and how well organisations safeguard young people, adults and staff. All of our inspections will include peer inspectors drawn from youth work providers, ensuring that the process is informed by up-to-date youth work knowledge and practice. We will also seek the views of young people, youth work staff and partners during all our inspections of youth work providers. After an inspection, we'll publish a report including a young people's version, which will highlight the strengths and areas for improvement. To learn more, please visit our website, estyn.gov.wales.